Let food be thy medicine. Hello foodies, welcome to the Smoothies Bar channel. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Ishwari and I am passionate about healthy living. So I created this channel to assist anyone looking to start or continue their journey to better health, happiness and mindfulness through a whole food plant-based diet. I shared videos of delectable smoothies. It has all the flavor you want with none of the added sugar or preservatives. That means you get a great taste with no added sugar in all of my smoothies. I am constantly improving on what goes into my smoothies so that you can feel good about what you put into your body. I also share healthy recipes made with natural ingredients, whole grains, healthy fats, fruits and vegetables to help you meet your daily caloric and nutritional requirements. Real food is that which grows from the earth. We have known for decades that plant-based foods are the healthiest. Yet many people don't consume enough of them because they just don't realize how powerful they are. Plant-based foods contain fiber, animal-based foods do not. Fiber is crucial for preventing chronic illnesses and promoting health. Most plant-based foods are rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and phytonutrients. They are those who help us maintain normal blood sugar levels, help avoid heart disease, prevent obesity and overweight. Dark green leafy vegetables are the healthiest. In fact, it has a higher nutritional density than anything else you can put into your mouth. Consuming veggies like broccoli, cabbage can help prevent DNA damage as well as cancer. When it comes to veggies, you should really eat a rainbow, since many of the antioxidants, anti-cancer, anti-aging are the plant pigments themselves. Whole grains are crucial to the diet. In fact, they lay the foundation of a balanced whole food plant-based diet. They are in particular a good source of complex carbohydrates. They are loaded with fiber and protein. Consuming legumes is probably the most important dietary predictor of survival. Nuts, like beans, should be included in our diet since they are high in fiber, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and packed with protein. They are another rich and satisfying source of a healthful plant-based protein. Hence, legumes, nuts and seeds are essential components of human diet, providing our bodies with protein and a variety of other nutrients for survival. After veggies, fruits are the second healthiest food on the planet. If it were a medicine, it may lower your chance of dying by a third. You must understand the significance of sugar in its natural form as nature intended as compared to the so-called industrial sugar. Fruits are sweet, they are delicious, they are full of water and fiber, they are high in nutrients and antioxidants, they are mainly cancer-fighting and health-promoting foods. It is not required to go completely plant-based. Most individuals are unable to do so. Nevertheless, start from where you are. Try to do what you can at least once a week, then twice a week, then thrice a week, and finally once a day, and so on. Simply give it a shot and see how you feel. It feels great. I am here to empower you create healthy eating habits for life, no matter where you are on your journey. My mission is to make plant-based diet accessible to everyone by making plant-based cooking flavorful, abundant and fascinating. We have tremendous power on our health, destiny and longevity since 80% is diet and lifestyle. Take control of your health. Get inspired by my collection of food videos that would feed your soul and continue enjoying the real food. Every Tuesday and Friday 5 p.m. India time, I upload a new video and would be delighted to have you a part of our community. Make sure to subscribe so that you do not miss on any of the future videos. Thank you for dropping by. Eat clean.